So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is Saturday afternoon and it's currently not raining. That's pretty good news right there. But let's see, last night it started raining about 9 o'clock. Rained on and off throughout the night, rained again this morning. And I think this evening it's supposed to rain again and then turn to snow overnight. Now I don't think anything's gonna lay on the ground. It'll just make things a little bit muddier than what they are right now. But I have a lot of things to do today, but I'm being realistic here. There's no way it's all gonna get done. So there's no sense getting excited about it. I'm just gonna kind of knock some things out and see how it goes. But I definitely need to do some mowing. I mean, it's already pretty wet for that right now, but I gotta get that knocked out. I got to, I went and picked up a couple of those firewood totes from my buddy Adam up near Grove City, PA this morning. I'll get them ready for some firewood. I need to trim a few limbs on some trees, maybe blow a few leaves for the ones that are falling. They haven't been falling much at all yet, but the ones that are on the ground, I'm going to clean some of that up. What else do I got to do? Oh, I have a bunch of firewood in the Ranger and in the dump trailer from last night. That video's up here. Melissa helped me go get some of that firewood out of the woods. I don't know, we'll just see how it goes, but like I said, I'm never gonna get everything done that I want to today, and there's no sense getting excited about it. I'll just get done what I can and work on it another day. That's all you can do. Well, I gotta put the mowing on hold for a little bit. It's trying to rain. I think I'll mess with these totes. These are those IBC totes. You saw them in other videos. I'll take the tank out and cut an opening in each one. They work perfect for firewood. If you didn't see any of those videos, you should go back and check them out if you're into, cutting, storing, handling, and transporting firewood. These work really well. I loaded one up with cherry and red oak, and it weighs in at about 1,660 pounds, so you need a pretty decent sized tractor or a skid steer to move them around, but they work really well. Got tractors all over the place, and I'm unloading this by hand. Smart. Maybe. I think I'll get a tractor. A little more than what I want to do. Got 2 of them ready. That's not bad. It only takes about probably 15 minutes total to get the tanks out, cut the openings in them, and they are ready to go. Get those Well, I was thinking about going and unloading this, or maybe start splitting some of this firewood. Melissa and I went and got this out of the woods last night right at dark. But I just want to show you, this is a really nice setup for getting a bunch of wood back to the yard in one trip. Got the whole dump trailer loaded up. And you can carry a nice log with you. That's a pretty good jag of firewood though, for one trip. I mentioned in a video the other day how the leaves are all jacked up. This is a big hickory tree right by the road. Usually this thing turns a bright yellow, kind of orangish. This year they're just kind of falling off of it. I think I figured out why all the leaves are staying on the trees this year. They're afraid of that. Well, the winds are picking up a little bit, and I just checked the radar. It's going to rain here in a little while. And then later on tonight, it's supposed to turn to snow. I don't think we're supposed to get any kind of accumulation. I mean, boy, I hope not. Can you imagine all these leaves on the trees and getting 3 or 4 inches of wet snow on top of that? I would be cleaning up limbs till next summer. I mean, that's really hard on the trees when it does do that. But anyway, days like this, you know, like I said earlier, you know, you have all this stuff you want to get done, and it's not always going to happen. There's just days like that. So you just kind of pick away at things, get a little bit accomplished, and call it good, and don't get too excited. But anyway, that's what I do. But like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.